Scroll through my camera roll and you'd probably think I'm just obsessed with broken stuff, but every one of these photos is a snapshot of what real property management looks like day in and day out. This was the day our company van got rear-ended on the way to a job. Nobody plans for that, but the work still has to get done and the tenants still expect heat, hot water, and working appliances. A fence blows down in a storm, a mailbox gets smashed, a French drain collapses and starts dumping water exactly where it shouldn't. A mysterious hole appears in a ceiling above a shower. A sump pump decides to quit in the middle of a rainy week. A tiny crack in a condensation line suddenly becomes a waterfall inside a closet. From the outside, it just looks like something broke. From the inside, it's logistics, vendors, insurance, scheduling, and a lot of phone calls to make sure the right person shows up with the right parts at the right time. Water is one of the quietest ways a property can lose money. Here's water sitting under a disposal, slowly soaking into wood until it turns into rot and mold. Here we're testing for moisture that you can't see yet, but the meter doesn't lie. This is what mold looks like when it finally shows up under a sink because the drip went ignored for too long. A tub that just needs new caulk today can become a swollen subfloor and a full bathroom rebuild tomorrow. A green roof isn't hip or eco-friendly when it's algae and moss eating into shingles. And the pool pump, if that fails and nobody notices, you're not just looking at a green pool, you're looking at major repair bills. Then there's safety and code compliance, the stuff owners almost never see, but lawyers love to talk about. Here's an electrical panel that has to be labeled safe and accessible. Random electrical work we inherit from previous owners that we have to untangle and make right. Outlet testers that tell us in a second whether something is wired correctly or not. A stove circuit that better be sized and installed correctly or we're asking for trouble. Utility closets packed with critical systems that need clearances, ventilation, and real maintenance, not just a place to store boxes. Handrails seem like a small detail until someone slips. A loose bracket pushed into a wall and a missing handrail on stairs can turn into a serious injury and a liability claim. Part of our job is to notice these little things and get them fixed before anyone even thinks to complain. Comfort is invisible when it's working. Here's an outside HVAC unit that just runs quietly in the background until the hottest week of the year. A wall AC that's fine right up until a heat wave exposes the fact that it hasn't been serviced in years. And this is us draining a hot water heater so it doesn't fill up with sediment and fail early. Nobody ever posts a picture of the hot shower that worked, but they will absolutely call when it does out. Kitchens are their own universe. Here's a kitchen mid-demo where everything is chaos and dust. Here we're replacing countertops to modernize the look and protect surfaces from future damage. Installing a new stove, a new washer and dryer so residents have reliable appliances they don't have to fight with. You'll see a couple of different kitchen remodel shots here, each one representing weeks of planning, budgeting, and coordinating trades. And finally, an updated kitchen that looks simple and clean. Most people only ever see this after photo. They never see the 20 pictures that came before it documenting each problem we had to solve along the way. Outside, curb appeal and protection go hand in hand. A downspout that's disconnected or pointed the wrong way can dump water right against a foundation. Siding that needs to be cleaned before mildew and algae stain it permanently. A porch that needs to be stained so the wood doesn't rot and fall apart. Yard cleanups, plural, because leaves, trash, and overgrowth don't magically disappear between tenants. A stairwell full of leaves and debris becomes a slip hazard and a drainage problem. A bee nest in a vent is more than a nuisance. It's a safety issue, especially for residents with allergies. Dryer vents that need to be sealed and cleaned so they don't leak air, moisture, or lint into the building. A garage door that breaks and traps someone's car. Roof repairs that start with one missing shingle and end with a full inspection and documentation for the owner. Most of this work is invisible when we're doing it right. Residents walk into a clean, safe, functional home. Owners see a rent payment, hit their account, and maybe a line item for maintenance. What they don't see is the hundreds of little decisions behind each of these photos. What to fix, what to replace, what to watch, and what to completely redesign. Who to send, how fast to respond, and how to keep costs under control without cutting corners on safety or quality. This is property management. It's not just collecting rent. It's standing between small issues and big disasters and turning camera roll chaos into a well-run, well-maintained property. So the next time you see a simple before and after photo, just remember, There were about 50 pictures like these in between, and a whole team making sure the only thing you notice is that everything works the way it should.